Everybody, it is Friday, January 30th, the last school day of the month, and we've kind of been away from updates the last couple weeks due to various things, mostly the weather. And so getting back into it, I'll jump right in with our PBIS folks from this week. We had taken a couple weeks off with, of course, no school last Friday, and then we had our big bowling trip the week before. So for the first time in a few weeks, here are our winners for this week. And we enjoyed some nice Little Caesars pizza today. So from 5th grade, Miss Raylan S. From 6th grade, Mr. James C. From 7th grade, Miss Isabella M. And from 8th grade, Miss Jessie H. Pretty cool, as usual with our pizzas. All the kids chose to get a nice big pizza and some crazy bread to share with their friends. So gotta love that. Looking out, and having some fun, sharing our winnings with our friends. So, and as I mentioned a couple weeks ago, we had our bowling trip. We were fortunate enough to get that in before all the snow and cold came. Went over to our high school's home lanes over at Midway Lanes. Thank you to the crew over there for taking good care of us. Alec and everyone over there, they always do a nice job taking good care of us and helping us out. And so on that Thursday, we had 5th and 7th grade went. And then on the Friday, 6th and 8th grade went, and they had a great time. I always love it when there's kids that are going for the first time, and just enjoying, being a kid. And Thursday afternoon, kind of like we had running last year, we had the fun of sharing it with a really great senior league, and they have fun with our kids, and they help teach them a thing or two and cheered each other on. So it's always fun to see. It's nice to hear when people out in the public think and say really nice things about your kids. So congratulations to all of us here in the community for that. Good stuff. This week too, back with Donuts with the Principal. So want to thank Mr. and Mrs. Lown. We had a good crew this morning. When we asked the usual question, glazed. Glazed was by far the big time favorite this week. So, nice, good plain glazed donuts, always good. Especially a warm one right about now when it's cold outside. So again, thank you, Mr. and Mrs. Lown, for that. And again, thanks to the kids today for enjoying the donut with us. So also something to celebrate is our 6th grade Students of the Month. With January wrapping up, 6th grade team want to recognize for ELA, Ms. KZF. For math, Ms. Ariana O. From science, Mr. Tyson L. And for social studies, Ms. Cashton J. So 6th grade team says, way to go. Really proud of those folks. And going to be strong headed into February. So one of our last big things is our athletics update and our poor middle school sports. Between not being able to practice and having like a random game or match. Our wrestling team right now just kind of got to check in there. They're getting ready to get started. So it's nice. They're back-to-back nights. Had some good success last night, and we'll see what they can do tonight. Our girls basketball teams, they haven't gotten to practice a ton in the last couple of weeks with the weather. 7th grade pulled out a super exciting win last Wednesday. Miss Sammy A with a buzzer beater after it was tied up and hit a big time shot right towards the end of to knock off Brunson last Wednesday. And then again, they got to play and get a little more practice in this week. They've got 3 games coming up next week. So if you want something to do next Wednesday night, our middle school girls are at home taking on Concord. So if you want to come support our girls there. Wrestling team just has one match next week, one meet. They'll be wrestling on Monday. So again, good luck to all of our coaches and athletes there. And of course, as many of you know, tonight is a big game. It's been Oriole week this week. So we'll have our crowning of our Oriole Court King and Queen tonight. So that's always fun. And big time game against Reading. Earlier this season, went to overtime and pulled out a big overtime win over in Reading. And so we'll see, and hopefully we can pull out another dub tonight. So again, come out. Should be a packed house, rocking and rolling with the band and everybody there. So hope to see you there. And in the meantime, stay warm, and we'll see you next week.